What if everything we've been told about the future of wearable technology is a lie? For years, the tech giants have fed us the exact same story. A slightly brighter screen, a marginally faster chip, and a new strap color, packaged as a revolutionary leap forward. We've accepted it, paying premium prices for devices that are essentially identical to the ones we bought 2 years ago. But behind closed doors in Cupertino, something is happening that is about to shatter this cycle completely. The device currently being finalized in Apple's highly secure labs isn't just another incremental update. It is a complete, ground-up reinvention of what a smartwatch can do. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 4. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this single piece of titanium is causing absolute panic among premium watchmakers, how it plans to quietly take control of your daily health, and the one hidden catch that Apple is desperately hoping you won't notice before you order yours. To truly comprehend why the Ultra 4 is sending shockwaves through the entire tech industry, we first have to look at the massive corner Apple has painted itself into. When the original Apple Watch Ultra debuted, it was a revelation. It was big, rugged, and boasted a battery life that finally made an Apple Watch usable for multi-day adventures. But then came the Ultra 2, which felt incredibly familiar. And when the Ultra 3 arrived, despite its slightly thinner bezels, many users realized they were essentially looking at the exact same design for 3 generations straight. The market reached a boiling point. Competitors like Garmin with their Phoenix series, and even Samsung with their Ultra line began pushing the boundaries of battery life, display brightness, and rugged sensors. Apple realized that if they released another minor tweak, the Ultra brand would lose its crown. They needed a paradigm shift. That brings us to the engineering marvel that is the Apple Watch Ultra 4. Let's begin with the physical form factor, because this is the very first thing that will visually stun you. For 3 years, the Ultra has been a massive, chunky block of titanium strapped to your wrist. It was a badge of honor for outdoor enthusiasts, but let's be honest. It was incredibly uncomfortable to wear under a dress shirt, and wearing it to bed for sleep tracking felt like strapping a small brick to your wrist. The Ultra 4 completely destroys this compromise. According to deeply sourced supply chain leaks, Apple has managed to engineer a new titanium chassis that is a staggering 15% thinner than its predecessor. Think about the sheer physics of that achievement. To shave off 15% of the casing's depth while maintaining the military-grade durability, water resistance, and structural integrity of an extreme sports watch is an absolute masterclass in metallurgy and microengineering. They have achieved this by redesigning the internal layout, using highly dense, integrated motherboard pathways, and shifting to a more efficient, compact thermal dissipation system. When you put it on, it no longer feels like a bulky instrument. It feels like a natural extension of your body. But they didn't just make it thinner. In classic Apple fashion, as the casing got sleeker, the display actually got larger. By utilizing next-generation LTPO display technologies with ultra-thin border routing, the screen stretches even further to the edge of the flat sapphire crystal face. But the real breakthrough isn't just the size, it's the sheer power of the light it emits. While the previous generation maxed out at 3,000 nits of peak brightness, which was already incredibly impressive, the Ultra 4 is